To another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. This is an interesting video of a project I'm just going to be looking at for the first time. I just completed the sign up process. It's a project that, based on the narrative that I've seen, it can be bigger than Griffain in terms of providing you with AI agents that manage on-chain activities. Uh, Now, we are going to find out if that's the case. So this is a video to introduce you to Wayfinder. It has an airdrop as well, 1% of the prompt supply. Mind you, this is a big project. It has a partner project. And yes, it's a big project, a partner project, a gaming project, which is very big already. And this is their AI annex. Okay, now it's limited access at the moment and requires an invite. So this is your invite on the screen. I just arrived here, by the way. So I'm going through the basically introductory tutorial. So I decided to do a video at this stage. Now it's very important at this stage, before we even get started, to tell you about the sign in process or sign up process. It's a bit difficult. I would have liked to show you this on a PC, but I can't because there was a hassle with the sign up process. You need some kind of passkey situation on a PC that will require you to insert a UB key or something like that. Yes, but on a phone, it's easier because you can use other biometrics like Face ID or passcode. So it's easier on a phone. But the problem with the phone is when you try to sign up, there is an issue. It will tell you an error. So how I solved that is I had to put HTTPS on the URL because it wasn't having that. And I also did not use Safari. I ended up using Chrome. But I believe it should end up working on Safari if you put HTTPS before the link. Anyway, the link I will provide, I will try to put HTTPS for you there. Now, when you sign up, you will have to go through the auth process using a passcode or Face ID, whichever you desire. And a wallet will be generated for you, native to the application. So that's like a smart account abstraction wallet that the AI will manage. So let's continue. Okay, so portfolio balance provides at a glance view of total value of your crypto assets. It aggregates your holdings across multiple chains. In phase 2, your balance will reflect both your liquid assets and any staked or lent tokens. Continue. Get started with Wayfinder by funding your new turnkey wallet and wait for further instructions on phase 2 activation. Okay. So this is where we are at. Wow. So I need to deposit first. Agents. Wow. Just a moment, please. I thought, because I've been seeing glimpses of what this can do, so I don't know how people are testing it out. Maybe after I deposit is when I'll be able to test it out. So basically it includes transaction, builder, and autonomous agent. Based on what I've seen, it can do a wide range of on-chain transactions for you. So if you're into airdrops, you want to, automate or batch transact on multiple chains and all that, while AI does it for you automatically. It will be able to do it. Now, I don't know why we cannot find the. Okay, so it may need a deposit before maybe we'll be able to access the AI agent, because I did interact with one new AI agent project where AI manages your wallet interactions and stuff like that. But that project at this stage only focuses on yield optimization. So it will stake your funds by itself, choosing different the best yield routes. So, but on that one, I needed to fund the wallet first to access the agent. So I will experiment with that, funding the account. Then I will do a subsequent video to showcase the project, what it can do. Now, I found glimpses of what it can do on X. So maybe to conclude the video, I will just go through the X of this platform. Perhaps we can see what it can do. Anyway, get started. Very early phase, very early period. Invite code is shown on the screen, but will also be in the description. There's going to be an airdrop for this particular set of activity, which involves training the agents, using the agents and all that, 1% of the prompt supply. Now, there's another approach for earning the prompt supply. I will talk about that in another video. There is an entire allocation dedicated for another activity. I'll talk about that in another video. Before we go, let's quickly check. Wow. Just a moment. Where is it? So I had to do some due diligence before I started out. So I saw some of the things possible. Let's expand this. So this is a logged in on the PC. I'll try to find a resolution for that. Just a moment. Okay, so someone said experimenting with AIWayFinder autonomous agents to detect when stables lending rates go above 10% on Aave, or if they announce an incentive on stable coins and notify me if and when this occurs. Now, on this alone, this tells me it's more powerful than Griffain, or focuses on a bunch of more complex activities. So here it says autonomous agent, social agent, prediction agent. Exciting there. I mean, I'll leave it at that. I'll uncover more information in the next video after funding my account. Get started. That's about it for this video. Now, as for Griffain, they've removed the invite area where you can generate your invite link. Whenever that's available again, I will have, for those who have contacted me, I'll have links to give you to join and test out Griffain. It's different in its capacity from this one and focuses only on Solana. This one has EVM capabilities. That's about it for this video. Let's end it here. If you have questions, ask me on airdropc.com. Use the contact form beneath the homepage. And subscribe to airdrop reminders in this area. It's important because by the end of the month, I'll fix this site with 100 obtainable airdrops with full-fledged tutorials. It's a bit disorganized now, but that's my plan for the end of the month. I'll be ending this video now. Stay awesome, take action, subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials.